Hey guys, it's Dorky DIY Dad. Just a quick video today on an issue we've probably all come across before, and that is removing a strip screw. So in this case, what I had was a Phillips head screw. Now it's just a pit at the top of the screw. I tried using a larger Phillips head screwdriver to kind of dig into the screw a little bit and get it out, or see if there was anything left of the head, but there wasn't. So I actually ended up using a Torx driver or a Starbit driver and was actually able to get this particular screw out. So in this case it was a T10 star head, and all I really did was just kind of stick it into the back of the screw, or I guess the top of the screw you're trying to take out, push in and start turning. And it took a little bit of effort, but was able to get the screw out. So I think the reason this worked over a Phillips head screwdriver is you just have more points of contact that you can kind of dig into the screw a little bit. So another option you have are buying specific tools to remove strip screws. In this case, this particular tool worked. I wouldn't recommend using your best screwdriver to do this because you might end up damaging the bit a little bit, but give it a shot, see what happens. So just wanted to show you guys another method of dealing with this very annoying problem. Until next time, I'm the Dorky DIY Dad.